put the spoon close to where the chocolate is poured. It looks like heaven on earth. We have the father of Turkey himself here in chocolate.
Even Noah himself is made from chocolate.
This enjoythe, this looks expensive. Oh my god, that guy is actually moving. You remember in the story of Noah, there used to be a couple from each animal species. There's this kind of, I don't know, this kind of statue. Let me have a taste of that. Okay, thank you very much. Hello guys, welcome to this video. So I'm here at the Pelit Chocolate Museum. Let's go and see what awaits us. Wow, this billboard is already giving me the nice vibes that will be inside. From here, it seems like it's just a factory warehouse. Guys, I do wish this was made of chocolate, but because obviously it's able to withstand the sun, so meaning that it's not chocolate. And these artifacts are here, probably made out of plastic. But the chocolatey stuff should be inside there. Some other interesting artworks outside here. It reminds me of this kind of Indian, oh okay, sorry, it's not actually Indian. It's Turkish. There's this kind of windmill here, outdoor pavilion. What is this supposed to represent? I really can't tell. There's this hand holding a tree, some outdoor seating area. Wow, now this is giving me some grand look. Oh my god, guys, just look at this. It looks like heaven on earth. It's crazy. I'm sure they got inspiration from the Romans, because as you can see, even that looks like a Roman sculpture. The building, you know, these columns that we are seeing here is all Roman architecture. So beautiful. And there's also some seating area here. This would be like the most splendid place you can ever have your dates. This is the entrance to the place, a very beautiful one, by the way. You've been seeing from the outside. I'm just so excited to get in and experience what else we are going to see. We just made payment and we're given this chocolate. I'm just so excited. I've never tried like Pelit chocolates before, so I'm going to make sure I sit down and enjoy them. Okay, so there are also some other chocolates we can try over here. Let me have a taste of that. Okay, thank you very much. So it tastes like high quality chocolate. I love it. There's this kind of, I don't know, this kind of statue, a man with some turtles. So this is what I was talking about. I don't know whether this is actually made of real chocolate, but they claim everything is made of chocolate. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt that all these artifacts are made of real chocolate. Nah guys, like these can't be made out of chocolate. Just look at the shiny glossy look they are given. That isn't chocolate. It may be some kind of sweet coating. I think these are just made to look like they were made from chocolate, but they are not actually made of chocolate. Some ancient warriors armor over here. I don't know who that is. Okay, so this is where the real deal is. Historic cocoa and coffee grinder. From the past. Interesting. Oh my god. So this is a barrel full of real cocoa beans. These are pictures of people. I think these are like the actors or the Maya people. There are some inscriptions about the Maya people and their production of chocolate. Interesting picture right here. Oh my god, that guy is actually moving. There's someone dealing in some kind of sweets, but I don't think those are edible. A couple having a fun time together, creating a nice illustration of a dance, probably, I don't know, salsa or something. I don't know whether everything is literally made from chocolate, but I can ask her. She says that everything is literally from chocolate, even the leaves, even the stems, everything. There's even an acorn on the tree. Here we are literally having Noah's Ark in front of us. You remember in the story of Noah, there used to be a couple from each animal species. So that's literally what they are trying to depict. As you can see, there are two pandas, there are two sheep, there's an elephant. I don't know where the other elephant is, but there should be another one. Cows over here. Oh my god. That bird is trying to fly somehow by moving around.
I just removed my microphone receptor because I wanted you guys to hear the sound of the birds chirping. I think it should be hearable by you guys. If you pay close attention, you can hear some animal sounds. literally made from chocolate. Every single thing that can be seen here. Even Noah himself is made from chocolate. And the clouds, that's probably cotton candy or something. I don't know, because I don't think chocolates can be wounded into cotton candy. That's a storm taking place right now. Can you guys hear the lightning sounds?
This is literally chocolate dripping. They are saying what chocolate shellalacy. So that's chocolate waterfall. That's crazy. It's even way better than the largest mermaid waterfall, guys. I think we should be able to try it somehow. I don't know. I have to ask our lady here. I just asked our guide and she told me that we have to finish the tour before we can have a taste of that. So let's just keep on having our feel of the place. And then after that, we'll come back. And of course, we have to try this before we leave here. These are depictions of Noah and what happened during his time. We entered this room where we have the feel of the dervish. Oh my god, there's dervish music with the dervish is spinning. Let me just make you guys hear that one.
So that's the dervish music you are hearing. So peaceful, it just calms the soul.
We just arrived at New York. Just kidding, but this is the Statue of Liberty we're having right here. And interestingly now, they kept this. Is that a leaf? By the way, it's written here July 4th. There's two more wrestler right here, made out of chocolate. They tried to create a representation of Africa here. I'm sure they probably did their research on ancient Africa and then they came up with this kind of design. There are even depictions of the tallest buildings in the world. These are also photos and clothes that are a part of the history of Turkey. We have the father of Turkey himself here in chocolate. There's this beautiful Pegasus right here. I don't know what this to depict. Okay, so it's actually a Burak, probably based on the descriptions. Crazy design, by the way. And right here we are having what, Jerusalem. These are probably some old kings. Oh, okay, I can see they're actually emperors of the old times and kings. Oh my god, this Ertuğrul Gazi himself. That's crazy. One of my favorite people of all time. This Osman Gazi, his son, Fatih Sultan Mehmet, one of the most popular kings of the Ottoman Empire. Yunus Emre, Mimar Sinan, one of the guys who designed many of the mosques. So all those kind of Ottoman architecture you see on the mosques are from him, Mimar Sinan himself. Okay, they are giving us this thing. I'm wondering what it is. Let me try it. Thank you. So my friend just said it's not chocolate, so let me try and see what it actually is. Okay. Guys, to be honest, I don't know what it is. But it's not like it tastes bad or something. It just tastes not bad, not good. I don't know how to even describe it. It's a bit salty. It's not sugary at all. And it's giving me a bit of a truffle kind of taste. Okay. But not the expensive kind. Lace, yeah, lace with some kind of weird flavor, I think. Interesting, but it's not bad. There are also products here in case you come around and you're interested in buying some of them. For me, I think I've spent enough already, so because this place wasn't cheap. I think there's actually one of the leaders of, if I'm not mistaken, that's Dubai. And this one is that of Saudi Arabia. Ooh, expensive chocolate products. There are also more of these kind of covers here. Beautiful ones, by the way. Some key holders too. Nice bags for kids. It's kind of ironic. Their name is Pelit, and then they're literally selling chocolate pellets. Bal means honey. Don't get it wrong. This honey is not made of chocolate. It's actually honey, okay? But they look delicious though, and I think this is actual honey. Not those kind of ones that are mixed with sugar or stuff like that. You can even see the honeycomb inside the stuff. And don't think of plastic. These are like real honeycombs, by the way. Interestingly enough, they are having a Pelit cinema. I don't know that it's also made of chocolate. Let's come in. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any viewers. At least let's give it some 5 seconds. One, two, three, 4, 5. That's enough. Ooh, this reminds me of Cappadocia. You know Cappadocia? Oh, okay, yeah, that's actually Cappadocia because it actually looks like it. So there's some interesting details for those who want to know about it, but that's how Cappadocia looks like. I can hear some horse sounds. Let me remove my microphone receptor so that you guys can also have a hear of the sounds.
Yes, that's the sound we're waiting for. I just realized that this is a representation of a castle. As you can see up there are some guards watching over the castle. And that's probably a tradesman or something. Oh, okay, he's just a carriage guy. Probably just waiting for a noble to come and sit in. Or let's see what it says. Jeton coin price, coin Pythona bin Mekichin Kishibashi. Okay, so if you want to sit on it, you will have to pay 30 Turkish liras for it. And there's this kind of fairy tale imaginary dreamland here. Let me go back a bit to give you guys a better view of everything with a tree. It just looks so amazing, guys. And back there is probably an oil lamp representation.
Some details of the Dolma Bahçe Palace. The gate representation is also here. For those who don't know, this was the place where some of the Ottoman kings used to rule the empire. Now we are entering the Pelit Bazaar. I don't know whether everything's made of chocolate to here. Let's see. Okay, so I think it's basically just like different kinds of stuff, different kinds of souvenirs that you can get from this place to remember the place. You can't go anywhere in Turkey without this kind of structure. Perfumery. I'm sure there's some very expensive perfumes here. Turkish Home, that's the brand. Then we have some earrings to here. They literally sell everything here, guys. There's jewelry too, different kinds. Oh my god. Glistering with the lights. These are some shoes for the ladies. The ladies who come around. If you are planning to come with your your cash, because there's a lot to buy from here. Different kinds of clothes for the different seasons. So in case you want to try the clothes out, this is some kind of changing room. Some Ottoman designs, I think. Now when we move here, we see some of the Ottoman kings. So this is a view of all the Ottoman kings. Some of the things that the Ottoman kings used. An ancient cast iron toy, a representation of a ship, a pillow cover. Fatih Sultan Mehmet's entry to Istanbul. I think that's when he conquered Constantinople, currently being called Istanbul. After going through, I think these are some kings that were there before the Ottoman Empire. Before the Ottoman Empire, we had the Seljuk Empire. I think these depictions will give more details, so you can read them if you are interested in them. Now, this is somewhere I would like to take a photo in. So we enter. Merhaba. Okay, so let's have a view. Oh my god, this looks expensive. Speaking of the past, this should be something that belongs to like someone really rich. We are back at the chocolate fountain. It's right behind me. Some people are trying it. I'm also going to move there and try it. So happy. Okay, so guys, here goes nothing. I'm going to try it. I think I have to take a spoon from here And then we move to the fountain, put the spoon close to where the chocolate is pouring, and then we put it straight into our mouth. Oh my god, there's some drippy chocolate right here. Okay, now I've gotten a substantial amount. Now let me show you how I put it in my mouth. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so this is some really good chocolate. It's warm, it's so smooth. Oh my god. I would suggest you guys come around and have the whole experience. Like, just look at all we went through from the beginning till the end, and I think it's worth it, even though it's a bit expensive for some people. But it's actually worth it. 600 Turkish liras for the whole experience. Guys, come on, just come and give that 600 and experience all this beauty. Currently at heaven on earth. So guys, thank you all very much for embarking on this journey. Wow, I'm just so happy, like, to have gone through all that experience. You guys saw it all and lived it all. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video, please support, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, just do anything to help me. Thank you all once again. Goodbye, see you in the upcoming interesting videos. Goodbye.